Negative numbers are numbers that are below or less than 0. To indicate a number is negative, we put this dash in front of it. We would then read this value as being -4. When we're working on a horizontal number line, positive numbers fall to the right of 0 and negative numbers fall to the left of 0. On a vertical number line, our positive values fall above 0 and our negative values fall below 0. When we work with positive numbers, we're used to it being that the farther we get from 0, the more a value is worth. So +4 would be worth more than +1. On a negative side of the number line, the exact opposite is true. The farther we get from 0, the less a value is worth. Think of it in terms of temperature. We all know that temperatures below 0 are cold, but as the temperature changes from -1 to -2 to -3 to -4, -4 is going to be colder than -1. So even though -4 is farther away from 0, it has less of a value than -1. Let's spend a little more time comparing our negative values. Like we said, as we get farther from 0, our values are worth less than less. So if I'm comparing -8 to -13, -8 is closer to 0, so since I'm on the negative side, -8 is greater than -13. If I was going to compare -1 to -5, -5 is farther from 0 than -1, so -5 is less than -1. If I'm comparing 0 to any negative value, well, all negative values are worth less than 0. So no matter what negative value I can compare it to, 0 is always going to be greater. So 0 would still be greater than -12. When I compare any negative value to a positive values are always greater than 0. Negative values are always less than 0. So my negative value is always going to be less than my positive value. So -2 would be less than my +2.